Did you miss me? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This eye patch is going inside my eye, okay? And it's already torn. Guys, so my eyes have been really puffy ever since I've come back from meeting my boyfriend, and because I was on my period and I had 2 packets of chips, and also I'm like, meaty cheesein. Yeah, sometimes a girl gotta do that. But now my face has been puffy for 2 days. I mean, today's the second day, so that's the vibes, literally. What the F? Anyway, ये order किया मैंने, and now I want to, like, I don't know, guys, like all my content for the week is shot and done, and I think I'm going to have like a chill day. And I was like, you know what, y'all, I need to deliver to y'all. Like my Paris vlog is also my anyway. बारिश इतनी हो रही है, टीवी पे कपड़ा लगाना पड़ा है, literally. बदतमीज. Guys, most of the time I'm thinking I just need to move out from Mumbai. This place has given me nothing but so much traffic. The humidity makes my skin do this, my face do this. इतना puffy. तुम लोग को पता है जब मैं मार्सेई में थी, मार्सेई is also like a beach town ऐसी. वहाँ पे मैं पेरिस से गई. पेरिस तो नॉर्मल सिटी है. वहाँ से हम मार्सेई गई. पेरिस में मेरी जो स्किन थी, no puffiness. I was like, oh, this is how I was meant to be naturally. But फिर जब मार्सेई पहुँचे and I woke up, I was puffy and I was like, what the fuck has happened? Why am I puffy? And then I searched, it happens when you're in like a beach or like a sea, near a place where there's a sea, and I was like, oh, so you hate me. Anyway guys, chalo, coffee mangaya. Oh yeah, my good coffee has been over for a while, but I was like, okay, let me get like a mini version of this so that at least I can get back into the game. है ना? चलो. Yeah. Also got like one of those eye patch thingy जो मतलब फ्रिज में रखो आप ठंडा कर सकते हैं. I was like, bro, I need every solution right now. तो मैं इसको फ्रीजर में रखा हुआ है. Let it cool down and then let's see if this doesn't settle down. I'll use that. Easy poured nutty and chocolatey. Did I want nutty and chocolatey? I guess, I don't know. Whatever reaches me, I just assume that this was meant for me. Oh, let's make some coffee. Oh wow, smells nice. Now this one, you just gotta like place it here. ऐसे सहारा देके. पानी कितना डालना है? I do not know what is 180 ml. हाँ? I genuinely don't know मेरे शक्ल पे क्या issue है, and I fail to accept that it might be something medical. I do not want that, and because I believe that everything I do, everything I eat, I do it out of love, I do it out of concern and care for myself. So I don't think there's something freaking wrong with me that is causing this. Anyway, let's try to guess 180 ml. Oh my god, 180 ml का मैं बचपन में एक क्वार्टर मंगाती थी. Okay, so let's try to do some math. If 30 ml, 60 ml, 90 ml, 180 ml is the quarter. मैं पानी डालूँ क्या? I guess. तो फिर मैं where will I add my milk? Because I'm not going to drink like black coffee. Anyway, breakfast में है भी तो is just boiled eggs. And am I in the mood to cook up something right now? No यार, मैंने कल ही इतना सही से dinner बनाया. And honestly, as much as cooking is therapeutic, it is also sometimes a task. Especially, but I feel it's because when you have other things going on in your mind and then you are like, I can't do this task right now, I'm already doing this task. Overthinking about why my face is puffy. So I get it. Watch out, my straw is here. पहले तो इसमें डालूंगी, cinnamon भी डाल दूँ क्या इसी के अंदर? वो मैंने guys एक जगह पे cinnamon coffee ट्राई की, crazy. I was like ये तो बहुत ही crazy. पानी गर्म हो रहा है? हाँ. I think I'm going to put it in this only, ठीक है? क्योंकि मैंने एक चीज़ तो नोटिस की है, जब आप cinnamon को गर्म उसमें डालो तो वो mix नहीं होती ढंग से. So hoping maybe this filtration process will give my coffee the स्वाद of cinnamon without its unmixed particles. पता नहीं कितना देर हुआ है इसको रख के, 15-20 मिनट बोला है. चलो रखती हूँ. और मैंने कुछ सीरम भी नहीं लगाया क्योंकि मैंने कल रात ही स्किन केयर करके सोई थी. डालेगा इस कॉफ़ी टाइम. इसमें ड्रिप हो रही है. That's my coffee. Yeah. चलो हो गया, शायद 3 बार मैंने उसमें पानी डाल दिया. देखो इतनी कॉफ़ी तो निकल गई है. या आई थिंक नाउ इट्स डन. आई लाइक हैविंग दीज लिटिल निटबिट्स in around the house because I still stay with my parents, right? Not that it's an issue or whatever. I like it. What my point is that wherever you are staying, like even if it's like a rental or whatever, just see the government का दिया हुआ घर है, so there's not that full homeliness that I've been able to ever feel in any of the houses we've ever stayed in, and that is why maybe I've never even paid attention to like how I keep my room and stuff. ठीक है? So my younger sister, she's 6 years younger to me, and she got introduced to Pinterest and all like very bachpan mein. So she used to have the kind of room I have right now. If you saw my reel, I've changed my room, okay? So and now it's decorated in such a way that she came into my room and she was like, oh my god, I love it, it's looking so much better. And then she was like, it looks like my room in 2018. And I was like, oh my god, I think I need that to like heal my younger self who felt कि हाँ कैसे भी रह लो यार, वो साथ में फिर ट्रांसफर आ जाएगा है ना. And I feel like I don't care wherever I am, I need to make it my home. So I've really I've paid attention to my room this time. And I like having these little tidbits that are mine, like, you know, this coffee is mine, this lactose free milk, it's for me. Yeah, it's like, I don't know, living with your family when you're in your mid-20s. Like, I am in my mid-20s, bro. 24, 25 से आगे start हो जाता है mid-20s. I feel like it's like you're living with flatmates and the least you can ask them to be is respectful to you, and that's all. You don't need anything else, you know, sometimes. Anyway, oh guys, I got nutritional yeast yesterday. Apparently, मैंने सुना है इसकी health benefits होती हैं और cheesy vibes भी लेके आती हैं. So let me put that on my steel ka plate. I also have something to say about this. For the longest time, I used to be like, what the hell, mom? Steel के plate में हम क्यों खा रहे हैं? मुझे कांच के plate में खाना है. I'm समझती क्यों नहीं हो? It's for the vibes, it's the bouginess. Why don't you do this and all? And guess what is currently on Pinterest, bro? Steel की cutlery, steel के trays, steel के चम्मच and all, steel के plates. And I was like, hut. तो क्या मैं भी indoctrinate हो गई थी क्या? Indoctrinate, is that the right word I'm using? I don't know. मैं भी वो हो चुकी हूँ क्या? Societal standards, I don't know, to use a better word. I hope you understand, guys, what I'm trying to say. कि no, there needs to be a certain je ne sais quoi, whatever that word is, that makes you feel good. कि किसी का, but then I was like, तो किसी को कांच की थाली में मज़ा आ रहा है, किसी को स्टील की थाली में aesthetic दिख रहा है. And I was like, maybe the aesthetic isn't in the things around us. It is in the eyes and mind you have. Yeah. Chalo, ye coffee is going. Now it's time to add. You guys very strong. Chalo, let's make this coffee milky. Whole thing. वरना इसका coffee का चला जाता है. Vibes are there. And I'm just eating 2 eggs with that nutritional yeast. यार क्या खाऊँ अभी और मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा. I sneeze like an old man, I feel. I also feel that, you know, I used to feel very insecure. Wait, let me take you to the next location to trauma dump this topic. Welcome to my room. Hi guys. At this point, is it going to make sense if I like take my light out? This is my bedside. I'll give you a room tour, okay? This is my desk. This is my room. This is my bed. This is my clothing rack. That's my वैनिटी एरिया. वैनिटी करती हूँ मैं, वैनिटी वेन में रहती हूँ ना मैं. भी मेरा रूटीन यही रहेगा. तो व्हाट आई यूजुअली डू इज, बाय द वे, जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू अबाउट माय कंटेंट स्टफ. आई ट्राई टू शूट माय कंटेंट ऑन सैटरडे संडे सो दैट आई कैन एडिट एंड फाइनलाइज इट थ्रू द वीक. बेटर रहता है, वरना फिर आप हफ्ते में अनप्लान टाइप्स हो जाते हैं कि क्या आज क्या करूँ, आज परेशान होती रहती हूँ मैं. बिकॉज आई रियली लव मेकिंग कॉन्टेंट. लाइक आई लव whatever I do, ठीक है, touch wood, very happy, thank you Bhagwan. Point that I was saying that let me trauma dump. I used to feel conscious of my आवाज़ because it's not that like girly feminine types, and then मुझे बहुत साल लगे to realize कि girl, you're being kinda like submitting to the patriarchy. What the hell, you're not sounding feminine and girly enough for a man, and who cares about what a man wants, right? Anyway, let's taste my egg. It's this egg with nutritional yeast. Start doing prayers to your food and be like, thank you for nourishing me. I'll show you. Thank you food for nourishing me, giving me strength to survive, giving my body energy to function. Thank you for keeping me hot, sexy, healthy. Thank you Shreya for making this food, and thank you everyone else who has helped and contributing in getting this food to me. It just, you know, it's giving me nutrition and stuff. So I gotta thank it. I try to be thankful for like everything around me. Okay. Good. Yeah. Nutritional vibes. And salt and pepper on an egg. Like I've had coffee stronger. मे बी मीडियम डार्क रोस्ट था ये वाला. आओ कमरा दिखा देती हूँ while I eat. Hi, it's been a while. I removed my eye patches and I posted a video and I did some work. ठीक है? Now I have put this also. Was the camera even straight? Oh my god. हाँ ये लगा रही हूँ क्योंकि उस eye patches से तो थोड़ा तो कम हुआ. But I need this little bit. It's kind of good. It's from Gub. I actually really like Gub as like a brand. I don't know if you all know about it. You know what time it is. I need to tell you what day it is first of all. It's a Wednesday. And that means that I'm gonna watch another episode of My Husband. This is how I'm going to be watching the next episode. Every time Jeremiah is on screen. Oh my god guys, the beach confession is gonna happen.
On the summer I took a few weeks.
Don't disturb me now. Grown ass man crying. Literal goosebumps. Be with me.
No, Marion.
Joking.
Be with me.
No. Wait, I have an agenda. Stop talking to me. Do you see? Can you see the puffiness over here? Yuck. I need to love myself through this. I need to love myself through this process. I'm getting excited thinking about my coffee. I used to make YouTube videos in 2020 and I used to do the same shit. I should have just continued it back then, but it's okay. Maybe this version of me needed to be online. Who knows? 5 years down the line, I'll be cringing at this. BRB, guys. As I just saw the Summer I Turned Pretty ka new episode, and me and my sister were discussing, and because she was like, oh my god, it's so fucked up, it's so messed up, and I was like, नहीं रे, क्या problem है, ऐसे होता है. बचपन में ना आते हैं पसंद, दोस्त के भाई, भाई का दोस्त, whatever, whatever. And then after that I read an article which said, थोड़ा सा honey डालूंगी, because the सुबह वाला could have been better. And उसमें था कि why are people whose age group this isn't meant for, why are they enjoying this series more? And it's because हमारे टाइम पे ये बहुत चलता था कि दोस्त का दोस्त और भाई, क्लोज फ्रेंड का भाई, ये वो. कोई घर पे आया. हमारे बचपन में ये सब वो नहीं होती थी, बाउंड्रीज एंड स्टफ. सो आई कैन गेट इट. Hey girl. Yeah, because I need to like pump myself up to go take a shower. Yeah. क्या कॉफी है ये? दूध है ये? What the hell? I don't know how to do this drip wala. What is 180 ml? I just love the taste of nothing. I just try to see if I can make it to my room with a drink in my hand. Should I? Oh! So guys, I literally can't see anything. I'm thinking, yeah, I hear the bird. I'm crossing my balcony. But I think I've made it.
Yeah, mate, the left. Left.
In my room. I made it.
Never a water. I fucking hate it.
Yeah. You know that I started this video a while back and it wasn't recording. Hurtful. Yeah. This is the drawing that I'm doing today. It's a bunch of tulips, some snacks, this juice from Raw Pressery. It's called Berry Healthy. It's got strawberry, blueberry and cranberry. I took a first sip in front of the camera when I was not recording, but don't worry guys, I'm going to give it to you right now. Yum! Now that I've realized that my puffy face is not because of the chips I had 2 days ago, and it's probably because of some product I'm using, I'm going to treat myself. I hope you understand guys. These are ragi chips, well, peri peri flavor, my favorite. Hi! I have showered and now I'm going to take a shot of this probiotic drink. Wow! What is this? Ew. Like you can see the redness now on my cheek. That's weird. I don't know what has done this, but I think I have known it now. But then that just means वो मैंने फालतू में खरीदा. मैं अपनी दोस्त के बारे में सोचती हूँ उसका मैसेज आ जाता है. ये हुई ना बात. So excited for the upcoming week. I have an event to attend. I actually have 2 events to attend to. Guys, that's so fun. Like I know मतलब I don't know सब लोग का ड्रीम होता है कि नहीं, मेरा तो था to be in like attend events. Ooh yeah, I shall. And now that I am, I'm like, yo Logi, why is kind of fire? I am now facing the repercussions of not giving into trends, and I have never bought something of butter yellow color, and the event that I have to go to has a dress code of butter yellow. Go and buy it tomorrow. Chalo, I'll take you guys to the mall also kal. Chalo, I've officially accepted that this, whatever the puffiness was happening, is because of niacinamide. Because 2 weeks ago also I had like a eczema type flare up, and I have never had something like that on my face, and I had to like stop using all my products, and and then when I resumed, when it got settled, I was like, oh, it's this niacinamide, it's being a pain in the ass. And then recently I just got it with my BF again when I repurchased all of this. और फिर मैंने लगाया, and that's what has again caused, and I applied it for 2 nights. Imagine, I'm stupid. I was cursing the chips. Chips की गलती नहीं थी guys कभी भी. So अभी मैं तो दिन भर में तो आज आइस करके शांत तो कराया, but अभी येलो लाइट में दिख नहीं रहा थोड़ा. I don't want to say it. I don't want to make it real or whatever, but I have the things that will help me fix this. Cause परसों मेरे को event पे जाना है. What the frick? Anyway, okay, I'm cozy and bad. I'm a matching PJ set. I'm super cozied up. I'm going to watch something on YouTube. ठीक है? And I shall see you guys very soon. Okay, bye. I think you need to subscribe and follow me everywhere on my YouTube and on my Instagram. Okay? Thanks. I just love making videos. Thanks for coming along. Okay, bye. Good night.